Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, I will teach you JavaScript is statement here. Like it is a very simple guys here. If here it is its definitions like about if and else. Here if means what to do when a condition is true, and for the else here else it is equal to what to do when the condition is not true, like it is your backup plan. Okay, so it is like making a decision in the real life. If something happened, do this. Otherwise, do something else. So here, let me here we have a example. Like imagine you are checking the time. If it is before 6 p.m., say good day. Otherwise, say good evening. So let's say we have the code. We will understand with code. Suppose here create a variable time. It is equal to 7. Here let time it is equal to 17 means it is 5 p.m. So check the condition if time it is less than it is equal to 18, and then inside it here if time is less than 18 before 6 p.m. this could run. So here console.log good day. Otherwise here something else. Here inside here if the above condition is not true, this run console.log good evening. Okay, the thing here you see the definitions what to do when something is true. Okay, so suppose here if something is true, basically this condition it is true, and then you have to execute in this code. But if this condition is false, okay, you will see the definition else here. Else means this else here, this else guys here. Else what to do when that thing is not true. Okay, so if here if this thing it is not true, then you have to do these things. Okay, so let me just try to execute that code, new terminal, and your file name. So let me try to execute. You will get your output like good day. So here node mind underscore script, and this is system here. Like you see here, you will get the issue. Okay, and this is the issue with your file name. It is mind underscore script, and you see here your result good day. Okay, so that is fine. So I hope you got in this point here. If something it is not true, then you have to execute this code. Then here we have JavaScript else if here. Let me this is another example. It is very simple here. When you need like multiple condition use here if first condition, then else if next condition, and the inside else it is if nothing is true, then you have to execute this code. Okay. So you can think like this, try this. If not, try this. If not, do something else. So it is very simple. Let me here we have the example. Suppose if here let hour it is equal to 9 means it is 9 p.m. Check the condition if hour less than 10, then run only if hour is less than 10. It means in the morning. Console.log good morning. This is here. And then else conditions else if here we will check the next conditions hour less than 20. Okay, then inside it here run only if first condition is false and hour is less than 20, that is 8 p.m. Console.log good day. Then here you have to go inside your symbol here run only if all above condition are false. So that's why here console.log good evening. Okay, it is 21 guys. So tell me what you will get in the result. We will get here hour is less than 10, it is false, and this condition will be false. we will check this next conditions. It is 21. So 21 it is less than 20, that is false. This condition it is also false. Then here you will try something else. This is your last condition. So let me just execute it file cls. Then you see here, good evening. This is here your result. You have executed this code. Okay. And then yes, after that here we will next is what here example with grading. Okay. Okay guys, so I think let me remove this. We will check another example. Here we have about checking the weather. Okay, here we will check the weather. Suppose here we will create the variables. It is very simple for you. Let weather here weather it is equal to it is rainy. Okay, so let weather to the rainy, and then check the condition if here if weather it is equal to sunny. It is sunny. Just I want to compare your first condition 1 console.log. Here if we here your first condition, if first condition it is true, then we will wear the sunglasses. So here okay, inside it wear sunglasses. Then okay, again something wrong, because you have to put this condition outside it. Cut from here, put it here. Okay, again something, put here. Now this is fine. Then here we will else if conditions. Check here weather. Here we will weather is equal to a cloudy. Okay, then inside it here condition 2. Okay, if it is true, then it might rain. Carry a light jacket. It is here console.log. Then inside it we will print it might rain. Carry a light jacket. Okay, the next here is else if. Here we will check another condition 3. If weather it is rainy, then take in umbrella. So here weather it is equal to rainy. So if it is rainy, outside it, inside it here condition 3, take in umbrella. Console.log, take in umbrella. Okay, now the next here is conditions. Inside it here we have fallback options. Console.log, let us check the weather. Check the weather if. Okay, so this is your last else if conditions here. Suppose here this is a weather variable. Inside it here with the value that is a rainy. So now this weather we will check with sunny. Here you will compare this weather with sunny. So it is false, because this rainy here it is not is equal value type to the sunny. Then we will check this rainy with this cloudy. So it is also false. Then next we will check there if this weather it is equal to this rainy. So yes, so it is true. Then you will get here result. It is true. Then we will run these conditions. Okay. Otherwise here if this is also false, then we will execute this condition. So let me try to execute here. So yes, execute, and you see here take an umbrella means this condition now it is true. So suppose here I want to make it also false. Suppose here if you write 1. Okay. Now, so this condition here also will be false. So at that time we will execute this code. Console.log check the whether if. So let me execute here, and you see your result check the with. Got it? So this is some simple. So guys, it is a very simple thing, guys. Use definition. What to do when something is true, what to do when that thing is not true. It means you have to go inside the some block and execute that code.